Hi everyone, it's Sayaka and Omar and we are Onigiri Dope. Welcome or welcome back to our channel. Today we have a special guest.
Yes, so today we have a special guest. Her name is Clione. She comes from Niigata. Niigata is north of Tokyo and she moved here 5 years ago. So her lifetime goal is to become a fashion designer. So currently she is experimenting using daily life materials to create different fashion items. And you can see her designs and fun stuff that she does in her Instagram account. And if you want to follow her daily life, please look at her YouTube channel in the link in the description below. So what are we doing today?
So, since we have our fashion queen here today, we are going to do a challenge related to fashion. We have here 3 items on the table. We are going to draw from a bowl, and whatever item we get, we will have to create a fashion item with that item, the random item that we have on this table. And we will have 30 minutes on the clock, and we will only get to use scissors and strings and whatever is on this table right now.
That's great. That's awesome.
That
ready.
is awesome.
I am ready. I am ready.
And you guys can choose who you think won at the end. Ready?
Great. I think, okay. You're ready.
3人でやるの 3人で
Okay.
やろう Let's do it!
Okay.
Okay, so we will draw out of the bowl. I got a dust filter.
I got the bubble wrap. Cardboard. This one.
Omar will make his fashion item using bubble wrap.
But I mean, we can share a little bit, right?
No.
Okay. For that, we can use that. Can we share?
So we can use the bowls, the strings, and scissors and tape and color.
Oh, so I have to make it just with this is my base.
Yeah. Okay, ready? We'll have 30 minutes on the clock.
Okay.
Ready?
Go.
Go. I'm going for high fashion.
High fashion.
High fashion. That's my look today.
Who are you getting inspiration
This is really
from?
bad timing. I'm still experimenting.
Who are you getting? What model are you getting inspiration from?
Gigi Hadid.
Okay. Clione, what are you making?
伝統的な衣装です。
Ah, Japanese?
そう、ジャパニーズじゃなくてなんかね、インディアンみたいな。
Ah, Indian.
We have 15 minutes left, Omar. What are you doing?
I'm making a cylinder.
And that took you 15 minutes to do?
No. To make it took me 5 minutes. To think about it took me 10 minutes.
Are you worried?
No. I'm ready to win this contest, like I did with every other contest actually.
That's not true. It is time. Uh-oh.
That didn't help.
Okay, so my item was the dust filter, and this is my outfit. It's kind of malfunctioning, but don't worry about it. At first, my inspiration was Gigi Hadid, but now it turned into Lady Gaga. I can imagine this at a Coachella festival. I think, I got brave after like 15 minutes because I had time and I braided, and I don't know what this is now.
I mean, that looks pretty nice. I mean,
Really? I'm really
you braided it. Oh, nice.
Yeah. So I wanted to bring different textures
Right.
into the outfit. So I have the braided, and then I have this like little poofy here and little flowers. Thank you. You're next.
So my item was the bubble wrapper,
Okay.
and I love sports. Recently, Japan rugby team got placed on the map of the rugby world by hosting the Rugby World Championship. Anyhow, so my inspiration was rugby players, like American football players, rugby players, people my size. And I made this Adidas, my own brand, Adidas, and this is my outfit. Very easy to breathe. If you hit, good for impact. When you hit other people, you kind of like have some cushioning. But anyhow, yeah. This is the outfit, guys. Very fresh, and I feel safe with this. I feel safe.
I don't. I don't feel safe. Whoa!
じゃーん。最初はなんかこういうスカートのボロボロって感じなので民族衣装をイメージしたんだけれども、作ってるうちにこの王冠が保育園の時のお遊戯会とか文化祭とかそういうので段ボールでこういうの作ったなと思ったから結果そういう演技する時のお洋服みたいになりました。
すごい。
なんかお姫様とかさ王様とかにすごい憧れるじゃん。だからやっぱ ぱり王冠とか髪の頭のアイテムは必需品だと思う。
ちなみにつけてる間にもう頭の中でもうイメージできて
しないだから最初になんかざっくりこういう感じのスカートしてた時に民族衣装みたいだなと思ったの。だけれども作ってるうちにいろいろなんかね手が動いたの勝手にでこうなった。だからイメージはざっくりこれで段ボールでお洋服を作ろうっていうものを持って小さい頃からの思い出を思い返してお洋服にする。
はい、
だからこういう一つ一つのものが自分にとって思い出なんかエピソードがあるから作ってる時も楽しいしお洋服になった時も楽しいみたいな感じ。
Okay, yay! Okay guys, these are our outfits. These are our outfits. Hope you guys liked the challenge. Comment down below who you thought won. And thank you for joining our video today.
Thank you,
Yay!
Please follow her channel.
Yes.
よろしく。
And her Instagram to see her interesting fashion ideas.
And please vote below who you thought was the winner. Obviously, me and my summer rugby outfit.
Anyways, hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe if you did. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!